Hey guys, don't mind what I look like. I am still in my pajamas and I don't have any jewelry on except for my necklaces and my facial jewelry. And I don't have any makeup on. But it is 5:49 in the morning and I wanted to do a video because my ultimate goal is to be up at 5 o'clock every morning and work on a video between 5 and 6 in the morning. I want to do it that way so that I have time to work on videos while my son is still sleeping. He's not here right now, but I want to stick to that schedule even on the days when he's not here. I'm going to show you how to translate in Firefox on a computer. So the first thing you're going to do is open Firefox. You're going to click on the puzzle piece icon, which is extensions, and then go to manage extensions. Now type in Firefox, Firefox, space translation, translations, translations, I should say. And the first one that shows up is Firefox translations. There is to Google Translate, but I don't want to use that. I'm going to use Firefox translations. And then go add to Firefox. Add Firefox translations. This extension will have permission to access your data for all websites, access browser tabs, access browser activity during navigation, learn more. Click on add. If you get a pop-up, click on add. Alright, Firefox translations was added. Manage your add-ons and themes through the application menu. Okay. And now I can just close out of this. Great, and I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to close out of this. And now that I'm on the French website, I'm going to click on extensions, and then go to Firefox translations. Oops. I'm going to click on extensions, and then go to Firefox translations. As you can see, it says choose a language and it has a text box, and then it says choose a language and it has another text box. The first one is the language that you want to translate it from, and the second one is the one you want to translate it to. So I'm just going to take one of these sentences here that I have no idea what it means because it's in French, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go extensions, Firefox translations, paste it in here. Choose a language. This is in French. And then choose a language, English. And it says, it's not the sea to drink. So, ce n'est pas la mer boire is, it is not the sea to drink. And to close it, just simply click out of it. So that is how you translate something in Firefox on your computer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.